Guys, come. Look what Tootsie found.
Look, it's a millipede. Look at all of its legs. It has so many legs.
Let's take it outside. It doesn't belong in the house. I use my fingers and pick it up.
Oh, it's walking on my hand.
Walking outside. Open the door. Let's put it down on the grass.
Why do you think it curls up like that? Curls up when it's scared. See it in the grass? Okay, I'm gonna leave him there. He lives outside. Ooh, look at it go. He's standing. He stood up. Okay, let him play. Leave him alone.
Let's curl up like a millipede. We're gonna do a tumble. We're gonna bend down and flip your legs over your body. Ready? Go! Woo!
Ready? One more time. Copy the millipede. Curl. What other animal curls up like this millipede? What looks swirly like that? A snake coils up its body just like a millipede. Now your turn to be a snake. Curl up your body. Wow, nice snake. You look just like one. Do you see all the spots on the snake? It's brown. When things have circle dots like this, we call them spots. Let's look for other animals that have spots on them. What is this? It's a cow. A black and white cow has black and white spots on it. Let's moo like a cow.
Moo! Moo!
Nice mooing. What animal is this? It's a giraffe. Look at its long neck, long legs. Let's stretch our neck like a giraffe.
Look at my shirt. What animal does my shirt look like? It's black and white. Yeah, zebra.
Zebras have black and white lines on their bodies. We call these lines stripes. What other animals have stripes on them? Tigers have stripes on their bodies. Tigers go roar and they run fast in the grass. Can you run like a tiger, like Emma? Wow, what a fast tiger. Do you know what this fish is called? This is called a clownfish. This clownfish has white and orange stripes on it. It looks like Nemo. Let's swim like Nemo. Use those arms. Swim, swim, swim. Emma wants to say nice swimming, guys. Thanks for playing with us today.
I'm wearing stripes. You see all the black and white lines? These are called stripes. What is Emma wearing? She has a pink dress on with pineapples on it. You see all the pineapples? What's on your shirt?
Do you have stripes on your shirt? Or how about spots?
What color is your shirt? Can you look for things around your house or around your yard that's the same color? Maybe your mom and dad can help you. I'm gonna go inside now, it's hot. Bye!